the womb. Malaki ni kwa na na mabaropa. Ya mere, ayi mankani. Ayi na kokakani. We know the valleys, the hills that lead us home. Homecoming for us is a time to refortify ourselves. No talk, you know, men and I. The organic, the paradigm masquerades in the womb. Opo hana abo. We are indeed our brothers keepers. We have not come this far to stay far from home. The waves of change, the heat of fire, and only time is pledge of bringing closer to his dreams. No war, no loss, no meltdown, no smackdown, of every slave you hold inside. But it is left in our heart, who question nothing Adam. Through tongues or eyes, peace or war, rain or calm, and no man but stands alive. And if we're only thing to, we believe that once there is life, our chief will never leave us with too big a shoe with nothing that we have feet to fit in. We look forward to every sunrise. It's a little sparkle of hope. Sparkles that turn the burning embers to flames. Imana, Echi, the evening. Through will go, Imana, Echi, the moon will go. Na Echi, we can ride over. Now let all that sound that means a mysterious event, let us read him of organic. But nothing to compare to the crispy fruit the banks of River Niger. Just like the crispy taste of white Ghana beer. With a pureness of water that mostly connects to the souls, to the dreams, to the hopes, to the aspirations, to the moon, to the stars, to our peace, to our talk and openness. Ayana da Admo Yeba. But together to celebrate life and progress. Yeah, so, long and new. We think like Ghana, for the time the Ghana of progress, originality, authenticity, no room for flatness, but each strong comes in us a heavy sense of responsibility. It seems filled with resilience and willingness to achieve more. So this thing tells about this in our hearts are. Oh, yeah, go. And I'm not going to go back and the living. I am not going to go around. So we pour that to the soul of the soil that have returned to the soil. I am happy that they will be right. I am happy with. Let me talk about you. Who will make a name? Oh, what's make a name? Shine one. This is a new dawn. The sun has risen. This is the sunrise. And now look, here we have. In the bottle, the Okiago, the heart, the program.
Ina na kwanya enafo na di nuku mwa ne kwokwe ana mutalo wanu na obo. Manyanto. Mado na niru. Obi ato. Ana ajimu na oso. His Royal Majesty, Igwe Samuel Asado, Oganagidi Ibelan Isoka, the chairman of Enugu State Traditional Rulers Council, Igwe. I told you Oganagidi. I told you Oganagidi. Igwe.